Hi, welcome back to AI Bytes. If you're into artificial intelligence, large language models, or the cutting edge of tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. Imagine supercharging your AI chatbot to pull real-time facts from massive databases, avoiding those pesky made-up answers. That's RAG in a nutshell. In this long-form video, we'll break down what RAG is, how it works, its game-changing applications in AI and industry, key hyperparameters for building it, and even the latest variants as of 2025. Stick around till the end for a quick recap and why this tech is exploding right now. If you enjoy this, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Let's start first things first. What exactly is Retrieval-Augmented Generation? RAG is an innovative AI framework that takes LLMs, those powerful LLMs like GPT, and makes them even smarter by hooking them up to external knowledge sources. At its heart, RAG bridges the gap between what an LLM knows from its training data and the real world. You see, LLMs can sometimes hallucinate. That's tech speak for spitting out false info, or get stuck with outdated knowledge. RAG fixes that by retrieving fresh, relevant data on the fly without needing to retrain the entire model. Here's how it works. The core process has three main steps. 1. Retrieval. When you ask a question, RAG uses techniques like semantic search, which understands meaning, not just keywords, or basic keyword matching to fetch the most relevant information from a knowledge base. Think documents, databases, or even vector stores that hold encoded data. 2. Augmentation. It combines that pulled info with your original query, creating a richer prompt. 3. Generation. This enriched prompt goes to the LLM, which then outputs a response that's accurate, factual, and grounded in context. Now, why does this matter? RAG is revolutionizing AI applications across the board, making systems more efficient and trustworthy. Let's walk through some key uses, starting with question-answering systems. RAG pulls from huge knowledge bases to give precise answers. Think enterprise search tools or virtual assistants like Siri on steroids. No more vague replies, it's all backed by real data. Next, content creation and summarization. Ever needed a quick article summary? RAG retrieves source materials and generates factual outputs, ideal for automated report writers or news aggregators. Then conversational agents and chatbots. These get a personalization boost by referencing user history or external data. Customer support bots become smarter, handling queries with context from past interactions. In specialized domains like law or medicine, RAG shines by fetching case laws or research papers for informed responses, saving time and reducing errors. And don't forget personalized recommendations. In e-commerce, RAG combines your query with retrieved user profiles or product data for spot-on suggestions, like, based on your past buys, here's why this gadget fits you. These apps leverage RAG's blend of generative AI and retrieval, making it ideal for anything needing proprietary or fresh info. It's not just hype, it's transforming how we interact with AI daily.
RAG keeps evolving, with variants tackling scalability, accuracy, and more. As of 2025 trends, here are 7 prominent ones that build on the basics. 0.15 times 10 to the 90b. 1. Naive or simple RAG, the starter version. It just retrieves docs and augments the prompt. Great for basic Q&A, but watch for irrelevant pulls. 2. Advanced RAG, adds re-ranking or hybrid search for sharper precision, perfect for complex setups with metadata filtering. 3. Modular RAG, splits the pipeline into swappable modules, like separate retrievers and generators, for easy customization. 4. Agentic RAG, gives it agent vibes, iteratively retrieves, reasons, and acts on multi-step queries. Ideal for planning tasks. 5. Self-RAG, the model checks its own retrieval quality and refines outputs, slashing hallucinations via self-reflection. 6. Adaptive RAG, smartly tweaks retrieval based on query complexity, like skipping for easy questions, boosts real-time efficiency. 7. Multimodal RAG, goes beyond text to handle images or audio, retrieving across modes for vision language apps. These variants show RAG's adaptability, addressing everything from simple chats to advanced multimodal AI.
But RAG isn't just for general AI. It's powering Industry 4.0, where AI, IoT, and automation create smarter factories and grids. Industry 4.0 is all about data-driven efficiency, and RAG enables AI to retrieve real-time sensor data or logs for better decisions. Here are three straightforward examples from key sectors. First, in manufacturing for quality control in smart factories. RAG helps AI inspect products by grabbing historical defect data, sensor readings, and quality standards from a database. Picture this. A camera spots a flaw on an assembly line. RAG quickly fetches similar past cases and generates fix instructions or alerts. This cuts waste and downtime big time. Companies like Siemens are using AI-driven checks to boost efficiency by 20 to 30% in automated lines. Real savings in time and money. Second, in the energy sector for predictive maintenance and smart grids. RAG pulls equipment logs, weather data, and maintenance records to spot potential failures early. For example, if a wind turbine shows weird vibrations, RAG grabs relevant IoT sensor data and generates repair recommendations. Firms like General Electric apply this in wind farms, minimizing outages and slashing maintenance costs by up to 25%, while making renewable energy more reliable. In automotive for troubleshooting and diagnostics in connected vehicles. RAG retrieves repair manuals, part specs, and real-time telemetry from fleet data. Say a driver reports an engine issue, RAG fetches similar cases and outputs step-by-step guidance for mechanics. Companies like Seat or Airbus, extending to aerospace, use this for quicker repairs, enhancing safety and cutting recall risks in electric vehicles. These show how RAG aligns with Industry 4.0's data-driven focus, optimizing resources in manufacturing, energy, and automotive. It's not sci-fi, it's happening now. If you're a developer or data scientist watching, let's geek out on the technical side. Building and validating RAG models involves tuning hyperparameters. These are settings that control the pipeline's retrieval, augmentation, and generation. In top Industry 4.0 verticals like manufacturing, energy, and automotive, they're similar but tweaked for needs like real-time speed or massive data. You tune them with tools like grid search and validate using metrics such as precision, recall, or response accuracy on custom datasets. Here are the common ones. Chunk size. This splits documents for embedding, say 256 to 1024 tokens. Manufacturing uses smaller, like 512, for precise logs. Energy goes larger at 1024 for sensor floods. Automotive balances at 768 for manuals. Validated by how accurate retrieval is. Top K, or retrieval count. Number of top docs grabbed, 5 to 20. Higher in manufacturing at 15 for deep defect analysis. Lower in energy at 10 for fast predictions. Medium 12 in automotive for diagnostics, checked with recall metrics. Similarity threshold, minimum cosine score for matches, 0.7 to 0.9. Energy sets it high at 0.85 for safety critical data. Manufacturing lower at 0.75 for wider views. Automotive at 0.8. Precision validates it. Embedding, dimension, vector size, 384 to 1,536. Automotive keeps it small at 768 for edge devices. Energy larger at 1,024 for complex sets. Manufacturing balanced. Tested for embedding quality. Temperature for generation. Controls, LLM creativity, 0.1 to 1.0. All verticals go low like 0.3 for factual safety outputs. Coherence scores check it. Overlap or chunk overlap percentage, 10 to 20%. Manufacturing at 15 for continuous logs. Energy 20 for time series. Automotive 10 for modular manuals. Validated by how well context is retained. Tools like RayTune or Catab optimize these, balancing latency and accuracy, crucial for real-world deployments. And that's a wrap on RAG, the powerhouse blending retrieval and generation for smarter AI. From fixing LLM flaws to powering Industry 4.0, it's a game changer. What do you think? Ready to build your own RAG system? Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, and let me know what AI topic to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.